Good morning, students. This is Mahind Kumar, faculty of Mount Trustee School for Accounts English PGT. Children, today we are going to begin a lecture video with a new chapter, that is depreciation, which is chapter 16 of your book. Now, what is depreciation? So, depreciation is the decrease in the value of an asset due to normal wear and tear. Whenever we use asset, its value decreases. Okay, its value decreases. So depreciation is the gradual and permanent decrease in the value of an asset from any cause. Okay, now there are various other definitions which you can do. Now, depreciation is the decline in the value of fixed assets except land. Such fall is of permanent nature. Once the value of an asset is reduced due to depreciation, it cannot be restored to its original cost. Depreciation is gradual and continuing process because the value of assets will decline either by their constant use or obsolescence. Obsolescence means when the technology is outdated due to expiry of time. Depreciation is not the process of value of assets but process of allocation of the cost of an asset to its effective span of life. It decreases only the book value of the asset, not the market value. The term depreciation is used only in respect of tangible fixed assets. The term is not used for wasting assets such as mines, oil wells, etc. It is a non-cash expense. It does not involve any cash outflow. Okay, so non-cash expense है ये. Causes of depreciation: by constant use, by expiry of time, by expiry of legal rights, by obsolescence, by accident, by depletion, by permanent fall in the market value. So these are the various causes of depreciation. Now there are two methods in our syllabus through which we will be finding out the depreciation. Various methods have been devised for providing depreciation. Different methods are suitable for different assets depending upon the nature and type of the asset. These methods are enumerated as under: straight line method, written down value method, annuity method, depreciation fund method, insurance policy method, revaluation method, depletion method, machine or rate method. But in our syllabus we have the first two, straight line method and written down value method. Now what is the written down value method? And it can be named as original cost method also. This method is also termed as original cost method because under this method depreciation is charged at a fixed percentage on the original cost of the asset. The amount of depreciation remains equal from year to year, and as such the method is also known as equal installment method or fixed installment method. The formula of depreciation is equal to original cost of asset minus estimated scrap value upon life of asset. Yeah, estimated life of asset. Okay. There are various merits and demerits of each method which you can go through. Straight away now we are going to come on the questions part. So first question of your book, just pay attention, open your book also. Now, on 1st April 2015, a limited company purchased machinery for 1,90,000. Okay. 10,000 depreciation on its installation. At the date of purchase, it was estimated that the scrap value of the machine would be 50,000 at the end of 6th year. तो जब 6 साल हो जाएंगे तो उसका वैल्यू क्या निकलेगी? दिस दे हैव टोल्ड, क्या वैल्यू निकलेगी उसकी? ठीक है. नाउ scrap value is 50,000 at the end of the 6th year. Give the machine account and depreciation account in the books of company for the 4 years after providing depreciation. So here in this question, first you will be writing you're drawing the format. Format बहुत easy है इसका, कोई भी ज़्यादा टफ नहीं है. I'll show you how you have to do this question. very easy. Okay, so this is the format of depreciation. Here you will be writing plant and machinery account, date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount. Question 1. Okay. So the value of the asset was, cost of asset was, it was purchased on 2015 on 1st April to bank. How much? 1,90,000. कुछ एक्सपेंडिचर भी था on the same date, 10,000 rupees. Now 2016 31st March by depreciation account. Now depreciation you will be finding out here. You will be doing working with notes. Cost of asset minus scrap value, life of asset. So cost of asset was 2 lakh, scrap value was 50,000, and that will be after 6 years. So 1,50,000 upon 6, so 25,000 will be your depreciation. लगे यहाँ तो हम लोग रेट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन भी निकाल दें. इसका फॉर्मूला है डेप्रिसिएशन कॉस्ट ऑफ एसेट इनटू 100. तो डेप्रिसिएशन कितना है? 25,000, कॉस्ट ऑफ एसेट 2 lakhs, 12.5%. ओके, सो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ कि 1,90,000 का एसेट आपने खरीदा, 10,000 उस पर खर्चा निकाला, टोटल वैल्यू एसेट की होगी 2 लाख रुपीज़. डेप्रिसिएशन हमने नीचे ऑलरेडी निकाल लिया, कितना? 25,000. तो 25,000 हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे बाय बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन 31st March 1,75,000. Now brought down 1,75,000 31st March by depreciation account. How much? Again 25,000, because this is straight line method or you can say fixed installment method. तो एक बार जो डेप्ट निकल आया वही लगेगा हर साल. $1,50,000 count 25,000 1,25,000. Again brought down because you have to prepare it for 4 years. 4 साल का निकालना है. दिस विल बी योर आंसर. ओके. 1,90,000 की मशीन थी, 10,000 उस पर लगाया था एक्सपेंसेस, 2 लाख की हुई, 25,000 अब निकला हमारा. हर साल हम 25 लगाते जाएंगे तो हमारा डेप्रिसिएशन निकलता आएगा. आई होप यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. We'll be continuing the chapter in the next video. Thank you, children.